Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching Technoright. What's going on guys, welcome to Technoright Technology. It's done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix Valorant DX11 feature level 10.0 is required to run the engine. It's a Valorant error and it's very simple to fix. So let's get straight into it. So before you go ahead and install the latest version, you're going to check what version you have. So you're going to click on your start button and type in run. Once you type in run, this small window will pop up, and in here you're going to type in DXDIAG and enter that. This window should pop up. So in this window you can see here at the bottom it says DirectX version. So it says DirectX 12, which is the most latest version, and it allows for the 10.0 feature to be used. So if you have DirectX 11 or below, that's updated. So just click on exit here, go into your browser and copy this link from the description below. Okay, just copy and paste it into your browser and you'll land on this page. So once you're on this page, you're going to click on the preferred language, select the preferred language and click on download. So once you click on download, this will download. Click on start download, open, yes, and this window will pop up. So just click on accept, next. Don't install ping bar, uncheck that, next, and let it initialize and install. So once it's installed guys, if you have the latest version, it will not install. It'll just say you have the appropriate version. So as you can see here, it says has determined that a newer equivalent version of Valorant has been installed already. So yeah, so that's about it guys. Once you install, you can run Valorant no problem. So if you have any other questions or any other problems, put them down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.